Ki pulit ka jela ha ka khatwei terik jeliu ki lapan jingbet hadu shi posngi bantok kit ya ka Sonam Raghuvanshi bat ya sangut ki wei pat ki basyak kenok pyniap ya uraja Raghuvanshi unong jungok kai pertei na indoor ha ka baya kamet balap ut jong u la lap din na ka sendrang ka bejeliu hawei saudong sora. Barok sangut lara akhmat ka yingka syari jong u Chief Judicial Magistrate CJM Hashlong. U Superintendent of Police ka East Khaza Hills u Vivek Im haba keren haki nong thok khubor ulaya thu ba on sasdang ya ka jing tohkit marsin yo ya ka jingbit. Ngi pan shipos ngi ban yo police custody ladadang don kamshu ngin pan penjelan ya ka por ban tohkit ulaong. Kini kisangur ki basyak keno ki kentup ya ubaid ka Sonam Uraj Kushwaha Arpway Snem u Akash Rajput Khat Khandai Snem u Vishal Singh Chauhan Arpu Arsnem u Anand Kuli Arpulai Snem ki balasya kem na indoor katba ka Sonam kalawan pendem no ha Nanganj Police Station ha Gazipur Uttar Pradesh. Barok sangut ki basyak keno ki pulit kin tohkit ya ki prasngi lenter laong USP. USP SIM ulaong baka jing tohkit baningkong kalalong haki weipat ki jela hinrei ya ka jing tohkit menta haban pen scam da ki sakhi sabut ha Meghalaya. Ki pulit kin sapinti kina la dadang don syuk ki wei ki badon keti hakni kakam. Halor ka jing penwandur iaka jaka le kam sniu hawei saudong us iem ula pensyai ba on sale tang hadin bala examen ba tohkit benya ya ki basyak keno. Don kam ban bu jing tho ya ki jing kren bat ban penti kena ya ki jingshah syuaban ra ya ke tarik ulaong.
I påstår ingen la the interrogation ingen la ban yok exact sequence of events bajia ha te ngala banong ha kada kti ta no ta ing ri rasa ta gida sabut kada kti no there were a lot of speculative reports on that, and it is always the best of things that for the safety and safeguards have to be taken that when we are taking to custody on that to ensure that our health is of utmost importance. Yang minta te sangut kilasya aras, but minta production kita production kita. Last night we actually they are in transit only. So, one team had reached at night or early morning, and the other team had reached this morning at around 8:39. So both different timings, and after that medical examinations have been done of the accused, and we'll be producing in court. I think as we speak now, production may be taking place. So that is the activity which has happened since yesterday. We get the facts of the matter. No, I mean right now the facts are fluid. One person would say something, another person say something. So once we confirm the facts, these are the facts after we interrogate. Jingshah, we'll have to interrogate all that. What is the fact of the matter? Some people could, because it always happens in a crime when you catch a group of people, one person will throw the ball to the other. So whose role is exactly, what was his role, we need to ascertain. And after we've ascertained everybody's role out there, then we'll do the reconstruction. Otherwise we'll have to do reconstruction 2-3 times, and it's not feasible. Emi kaplan ya kata tharu plan ho nilayo bits and pieces jai ya kata tharu plan ni in tikna hi adin by la interrogation. Full plan ke kaplan ki nilayo bits and pieces में की accuse है तो मगर full plan exactly means है your so I don't see any issues, but we'll take preventive measures. People of Sora are not violent, and even like I said earlier also, when there was such negative narrative, yet they continue to help in the search, they continue to help in providing information, they cooperated, they cooked food for the search team and all that, and so I don't see any threat, but nonetheless police will just take preventive measures. See, I don't know, we have not brought, and we have not even got our remand out here yet. Let us not speculate. Once there are so many things that the preliminary interrogation and preliminary investigation was done in those states. They may have divulged some things, but these things need to be confirmed and need to be corroborated and need to be backed with evidence.
So how many days will be seeking custody of them?
See, we are, I think we are asking for 10 days, and if we require more, we will extend our request for remand.
Any more arrests apart from these 5?
No, five till now. And then, as investigation progresses, then we will be able to ascertain whether only these people involved or other people involved.
Will be taken to Soda tomorrow?
No, not tomorrow yet.
You are not decided.
No. We have to examine them first. Once the examination has been finalized, statements recorded, we get to the facts of the matter and all that. Then SIT will decide on a date where they will go for reconstruction of crime scene. Kay Kinday Jumlan, where will be Kinday Jumlan?